kwa hii farm mpya. Hii farm mpya iko located hapa ni Migori County, sio? Migori County, a place called Mabera. So from Mabera up to this place, it's something like 2 to 3 kilometers. So actually ultravetis has been supporting us. Thank you, Mr. Ozere. I'm sure when tulikutana na wewe kwanza. Nakumbuka
kitambo.
Tulikutana na wewe kitambo. Ilikuwa ni 2018 ama 2017? 2018. Yeah, when we met with 2018, I'm sure we have done a lot.
Very much.
Seminars tumefanya mpaka Kisumu. Ultravetis East Africa. I'm sure we should be celebrating Mr. Eric.
Yes.
Because Eric Onzere has connected me with so many people. Wakina Kibetu walienda wapi?
Wako.
Tumefanya kazi na wakina Nicodemus. Baba wakina Kamau. So by the end of the day, Ultravetis, you are doing a good job.
Yes.
That is what I can tell you. Guys, as we are going on, we will be showing you. I will tell Eric which drugs we are using from their company. Okay. And the drugs are helping, you know, they are helping farmers. Okay. Because you can remember our first seminar ilikuwa because tumefanya mingi sana. Ilikuwa ni Sunaton, tukaenda Kisumu. So tumeenda mingi sana. Nakumbuka tulikuwa tunafaa kwenda ya Nandi, ile ya Kagaon, COVID ikatokea. Wakasema no meetings. So lakini najua wakulima wa Nandi soon now we are coming there. I'm sure the seminars are ongoing. I'm sure Eric, they have visited this farm. They have seen the kind of work ambayo iko hapa. Yes, although still we are under construction. He will introduce himself and then after introduce mwenzake huyu. Yeah.
So my name is Eric Onzere. I'm from Ultravetis, East Africa. Our main job is to come close to the farmers. Like now work with Eugene Poultry. And then also connect Eugene with farmers, and Eugene also connect us with their farmers so that we train them on good management of poultry, so that we can at least have food security in our country through poultry. And we also encourage young youths, old mamas, and farmers in general who are really into poultry production, so that we can grow together. We have so many products for this poultry, ranging from food supplements. We also have hygiene products like Ultracide. We have Ultra Clean. Those are very good products for disinfection, because we say biosecurity is key. We also have vaccines for poultry, and then we also have drugs to treat these birds. So we have a wide range, yes, of these products.
I'm sure we are going to learn more as we are going on. Yes. Daktari, introduce yourself.
Next.
Okay. Thank you. Welcome to Poultry, Asian Poultry. Andrew Moenga. I'm agronomy, working with the Ultravetis East Africa. It's my first visit to this poultry farm. At least we will also incorporate, because chicks also need to have veggies in their cages. So as a Ultravetis company itself, that's why it came up with the seed section. At least we give veggies ranges to chicks. So thank you. I'm sure we'll work with you guys. At least we will supplement, because chicks, they need those greens too for hang up, and this at least zichangamke.
Hapo sawa kabisa. Unajua kitu anasema ni amana sana, lakini kitu nitakuwa sure Onzere is my witness. Ultravetis have promoted their drugs. Utapata mtu anasema kuku yangu daktari iko na coryza. I will tell them combine tetracolvit, anything with colicit, and then you can combine it even with a very strong anti-stress agent. About tunatumia amylite. I'm sure Onzere, the notes you do see the biosecurity measures. Is that no? Who drafted it? But now today, I want you to take us through about biosecurity measures. Yes. Because through these biosecurity measures, we are going to learn more. Guys, farmers who are watching us, I want you to know one thing. Ultravetis Company Limited. most of the drugs you are using, amuko mnajua zinatoka ultravetis. But I'm assuring you, the drugs of ultravetis, because like the biosecurity of this farm, we are doing it using the ultravetis products. I'm sure you are going to see the hygiene of birds inside here. Yeah. So you are highly welcome. Let me take you through. Let's go. So now, Mr. Ozere.
Yes, yes.
The camera person can So, Mr. Ozere,
Yes.
I want you to advise us. Yeah. You know this cameraman. So now, Mr. Ozere, let's begin from out here, right? I'll show you something. Because this is the new farm we are developing.
Yes.
This is a new farm we are developing. We are located in Mabera,
Yeah.
Migori County. So now, Mr. Daktari,
Yes.
where do you advise us to put food bags?
Now,
Hapa kwa geti kutakuwa na moja ama ni huko ama ni wapi? For this
hapa,
compound.
hapa ndio mzuri.
Hapa ndio mzuri.
Hapa ndio mzuri. You can make a foot bath, a bigger one. You said cars will be going inside.
The cars which will be going inside here,
Yes.
they are the ones maybe which are bringing feeds.
Yes.
And maybe some zenye ziko hapa ndani zenye zinaingia parking.
No, yes.
But for the others, watakuwa wanapark huko, that other place there.
Okay.
Unaona huko?
Yes, yes.
Hapo kando ndio watakuwa wanapark their cars. So gari zinaingilia huko zinapita straight zikienda huko.
Okay.
So now there is no need of them having another footpath there.
No. The most important one is this one.
Is this one?
Now that you are entering into the poultry farm.
Into the poultry farm.
Yes. So if I've come with my car, it is full of bacteria and all those viruses. Now in this foot bath, we shall put what? We shall put our water, and then we shall put our TH4.
Our TH4.
TH4.
TH4, is it good for foot bath?
Yes, TH4 is the best.
The best.
Yes, it's the best for food bath because the ingredients that are inside are very good and very powerful. That they will kill what? They will kill the germs. So that when I pass through this water with my car going inside, my car is clean.
Now the question which I will ask you, Mr.
Yes.
Onzere.
Yes.
I can remember there is a seminar we performed. Was it in Eldoret? Was it in Eldoret or Migori? Eldoret tulikuwa na majamaa wenu wale wengine wale wa huko chini. Wakina Kibet. There is a seminar we performed at Thinaton. Whitestone. Kisumu.
Yeah.
Unakumbuka Uzima Celebration Center?
Yes, yes.
Hiyo tuliperform mulikuwa na Kibet.
Yes, yes.
You told farmers that TH4, it should not be used when the birds are inside the
house.
The house.
Yes.
Now it's a case. This is a footpath which is here. This footpath of ours here. Remember this way. Mtu akipita si anapita na gambuti zake, anakanyaga. Na hizo gambuti akienda nazo kwa kuku huko ndani. Na umesema TH4 haifai kuwa kwa nyumba ya kuku zikiwa ndani. Is there an effect?
Tulisema hivi. Kuna ile yenye unaweza piga kuku wakiwa ndani. This is ultracide. This is ultracide. This one
short acting.
This one it is safe when you spray even when the chicken are in the house, in the poultry house. Yes, but now TH4 is only for disinfection. If you are bringing in new birds into your house, you can even spray TH4 2 weeks prior to
before arrival of birds.
Yes.
How about now us stepping in this water?
Now
we step there, we remain with the other one.
No problem. You just step here, finish. Even those food parts that are near just next to the poultry house, you have to have the TH4 inside because it is long acting.
Long acting.
Yes, it will stay for a longer period.
Can it affect birds?
No, it cannot. It cannot affect birds. You cannot just spray inside when the birds are inside. Don't spray TH4. Use ultracide. Ultracide, you use it when you are spraying inside the poultry house. When you are washing the feeders and drinkers, you use ultracide. Yes. This one kills all the disease-causing germs. And your birds are kept what? Are disease-free.
I'm asking a simple question.
Yes.
let's say the TH4. Wakulima tunawafundisha, all of us we are experts, so
Yes.
so lazima tuelewe what is there. Like mimi, I've got so many questions. Like that, let's say the TH4 itself. TH4 daktari, for example, umeweka karibu na poultry house, hizo kuku ziko hapo ndani, zikuje zikunywe hiyo TH4, hiyo maji ya TH4, can there be an adverse effect to that bird?
Your birds are in the house. There are sometimes you are a big poultry farmer.
Yeah.
All poultry farmers should secure their birds inside the house, unless you want to do what? You want to let them go outside, but only few farmers can do that. It's true.
Yeah.
So like you have like 4,000. What will the 4,000 be doing outside? The TH4 is outside the poultry house. It's only meant for you to step in and then to remove to ward off the bacteria, and then you go into the poultry house.
In medicine, in human medicine,
Yes.
we call it let's say bactericidal.
Yes.
The bactericidal in it, it will harken both the gram-negative and the gram-positive bacteria.
All of them. Even the viruses. It kills them all.
It kills them all.
Yes.
So now you are advocating for TH4 to be on this side, for the footpath section.
For the footpath when the vehicles are coming in, and if there is no vehicle, there's only a farmer coming in, then we should have a second one here.
So remember now on this other side here,
Yes.
tutakuwa na bathroom. Tutakuwa na bathroom, because when farmers will be coming inside this farm, if you are going to come inside this farm, you must take shower first.
That is okay.
You take shower. After you take shower, you change on gumboots and then wear on those gowns, and then now you can go now to the farm.
The farm. And then also we should have.
So now the question I was having,
Yes.
in this bathroom, this water they will be using, is there need to put there some disinfectants,
No.
or they just use the normal water?
The normal water and soap.
The normal water and
yes,
soap.
and soap.
Yeah.
Yes. Aoge tu vizuri na sabuni, alafu avae boots,
Avae na
overall, au apron kama ni vizuri, avae nini ya kufunika kwa kichwa, twende mahali pa kuku.
Kwa nyumba ya kuku.
Ya nyumba ya kuku. But now it is not always good for so many visitors, every visitors to come into your poultry house. Take note of that. If somebody has to come to your poultry house, then it should be prior arrangement. You know how to the biosecurity measures. Akuje kama yuko well prepared. Ajua akifika ataoga, atavaa kwa nguo zetu na ataingia kwa nyumba ya kuku kuangalia.
Yeah,
na akitoka kwa nyumba ya kuku bado tena atakuja aoge, avae nguo zake na kwenda kwake. Yeah. So that our farm remains disease free.
So disease free.
Yes.
So like the director of veterinary services, Dr. Were, came here the other day. Actually, it's why we are putting up CCTVs. We are putting up the CCTV. The CCTV should be in the social hall outside there, whereby farmers can be taken through. The person who is training farmers there will atakuwa na ka microphone kake. Akiongea huko ndani akionyesha huyu drinker, also they can be supervising. So we might not allow you farmers to come into our poultry houses, but what is important here, we will take you through. We are developing some models which will help us maybe cope with that one. So now the best thing, so in this bathroom here, no need of us to use those fumigants. Yes. We can go ahead. We can pass here. So guys, we are doing a lot of expansion here. So now Mr. Eric. So now Mr. Eric, tumeangalia kazi tumefanya bwana.
Sawa.
Hapa napomoa kabisa.
Nataka tu after all these works, then all the debris zitatolewa, and then you will come with the TH4 in the knapsack.
We spray
the whole place.
I'm sure you'll supply me to 20 liters of TH4.
That is what I want to do. You spray all over, because we don't know what was here. Yes, so that at least we clear the debris, everything. I think it is good that you put a perimeter wall. There is no dogs coming in. There is no thief who will come in. Yes, there are CCTVs.
The CCTVs,
Yes.
there is an electric fence also.
Electric fence that you're putting up.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. And then now, we shall continue advising as we go on.
So how about the time if you put? I was planning to do screening down here.
Okay.
I do a screening wall. Yani nifanya hapa chini I cement down here. I wanted to cement down here and then plant some I wanted to plant some grass. What is the other side ya kupunguza vumbi? Kama kuna vumbi hapa ndani.
No problem.
Yeah, so we can go inside. So now that one now is our main gate there. So the one will be getting inside there. So now that we are getting into our poultry out there. What's the second? That's it. So now daktari, this house of ours we are doing another poultry house here because we are doing serious improvements. So now another poultry house will be here. Ya kwenda uko chini. This poultry house yenye iko hapa chini, it's because your parent stock.
Okay.
So we are putting your parent stock. There is a parent stock which we will be receiving by March from India.
Okay.
Yeah, the cake farms. It's around 4,000 bahts. Okay. So now we are beginning to put up the structure here, whereby effective next week, we should be beginning to put up another serious structure like this one.
Good.
So now that other structure now, the 4,000 bahts will be down here.
Okay.
It's already said to kona if I made to kona around something like because you know despite us doing constructions, farmers also are interested with chicks.
Okay.
So to kona around 3,000 bahts up and running for this big structure here. So now we are planning now to do an expansion because on 10th we should be stocking around 5,000 bahts. And then after 3 months we should be at around 30,000 bahts. So hapa kuna biashara.
Wow.
Hapa kuna biashara kali sana.
That is good work.
Yeah, so now by the end of the day, so bana kitambo huko hii nilikuwa pikipiki yangu bana. Sasa imelala bana. Hiyo nilikuwa pikipiki yangu. So hiyo ndio ilikuwa pikipiki yangu, ndio nilikuwa nachukulia chakula ya kuku. Nafanya chakula huko kwa maduka huko nikileta hapo, lakini sasa hii kamelala. So na believe kwa sasa hii sisi tunaona tuko na magari sasa. So now farmers, hapa mnafahamu jua Eric alikuwa anaongelea mambo na food baths. You can see the way we have prepared here. So hapa tunaweka dawa. Hapo umesema tunaweka either ultracide ama TH4.
Yes, ultracide ama TH4. And then very important, debris, mud, yani matope, we don't want it in the food bath. So, we want it to be clean always. You clean your boots before you come and step inside the food bath. Hapa tunaweka maji na tunaweka ultracide ama TH4. Ikishawekwa tunakanyaga ndani, ndio tunafungua mlango, tunaingia ndani. Na tukitoka ndani tena tutakanyaga tukitoka. Yes, because
so now I'm sure the people who are managing your umesikia.
Yes. And then another thing, you should make something to avoid direct sunlight. Direct sunlight into our food bath.
Into food bath.
Yes.
So now you should extend this.
Yes, you should just extend something.
I'll call one of my fundi.
Yes.
I'll call my fundis. Wakuja they can roof this side.
Yes.
They can roof this side.
At least
permanently. We put gutters here. We can put some gutters here to throw water there, and then it can go for easy drainage.
Yeah.
So now it's advisable non-direct sunlight.
Not on direct sunlight.
So I'm sure you have understood very well how now you should be cleaning this. So nikipata maji iko na uchafu hapa ndani, nitafukuza watu mbaya sana.
So
unafanya usafi
zako mostly usikuje na hata boots ndio the best. This is a big farm.
Boots ziko
safi.
Hebu leta boots Charles. Leta boots hapa. So now the boots ndio watakuwa wanavaa wanakanyaga hapo ndani. Alafu na hapo now is a challenge here now.
That is where I was
hapo kuna challenge There is someone mwenye anaweza hapa apite hapo.
Apite hapo ndio nilikuwa nasema kuna mtu tu atakuja apite na aende, which is very bad.
Hapo if nikitengeneza hapa kwa kitu kama nipige mbao ama wall.
Yes.
I can make a small wall.
No problem.
I can make a small wall up to here.
Yes.
Or I extend this one up to this side. Nikiextendisha hivi it can be cheaper. Niextendisha hivi ili maji nakuja mpaka hapa. Because kuna wale masurvivor ukweli wanaweza kuja wapate.
Bila kukanyaga hapo ndani.
So now guys, do you know why our birds are very sacred? Let hapo hizo ni gumboots zenye watu wanavaa. Wakiingia hapo kwa hiyo farm.
They should be clean before you step into the. Yes.
Umeelewa baba? Charles? Have you understood?
Yes.
in Luo means nimesijui Kijaluo lakini umeelewa sio? So donge sio? So make sure hapa iko hivyo. Alafu mwambie fundi akuja atengeneza hapo wall ya kuzuia hapa sawa? Ili mtu asicross ama ukuje ambie fundi aongezee hii shimo ifike hapa mbele sawa? Because mimi sikuaje available lakini mtaorganize for the same because unajua mtu hawezi kuja hapa hivi avuke hapa hivi hawezi so ni hapo karibu sana Mr. Zena.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So now we are going ahead Basil. So Mr. Zena hapa ndio kutakuwa na CCTV room
Okay.
hapa ndani hapo ndio kutakuwa na CCTV room. So hiyo CCTV sasa itakuwa zina coordinate the whole farm. Yeah. So I'm sure that for special guests, wakija hapo sasa wanaweza kaa hapa na wakasign visitors book hivyo which you have done.
Yes.
So I'm sure now at least now we are moving well. So now the CCTV itakuwa hapa ya kumonitor both the parents stock down there and then the others because like in our farms in Kisii we don't allow visitors into our farms.
Okay.
Because once niko na more than 10,000 birds inamaanisha hiyo ni commercial.
Commercial, yeah. That
Because
is commercial.
Because there we are talking about millions.
Yeah.
Because like 30 birds, even if I decided to sell them at even let's say even 1 month, there we are speaking of around 7.something million. Yeah. So now by the end of the day there is that seriousness.
Okay.
So now we can go in this house. Daktari umetoroka bana bana. Sasa hapa I want to show you now the secrets which we are using here. By the ultravetis drugs. So now daktari you can look at the engine of our birds.
Yes.
These birds are 1 week. Kenyans won't kill you. So now daktari you can see at our birds here. So unaona ziko very active.
Yes. Very active.
So we are in the poultry house. So daktari umesema ni disinfectant gani watu wanaweza tumia?
Hapa hivi ni ultracide.
Ultracide
Ultracide hii hapa. Come here.
Ultracide
Ultracide.
Ultracide for routine fumigation.
Routine fumigation, yeah.
Yeah.
Even when the birds are in, what you do, put the 25 ml in 10 liters.